Okay, so guys, watch me trade live here for you to see how I do my analysis and all that. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me show you the video. So this is volatility 75 index, sorry. So yeah, obviously if you want to trade volatility 75x or volatility indices in general, it is only one broker that provides you with these assets, and I'm going to link a link down below in the description if in case you want to try it. Okay, so now I'll pull out trend line 2 like this and not draw the trend line. So this obviously shows that we are in a downtrend, and by the way, this is the daily time frame, so you can see that we are in a strong uptrend. Okay, so now let me zoom in. Now I'm going to use trend line strategy here. So pull out my trend line 2 once again, then mark the lowest, draw a trend line to touches the lowest trend. Okay, the lower point of the lower lows, sorry, the higher lows rather. So now if I had it like this, what I'm gonna do now is, this is the first point, second point, and I'm waiting for the third touch, then I'll start to buy. But this is a daily time frame, so it might take about a little bit more days to get to my trend line. So instead, what I'm going to do is, for instance, there might be a pullback before it continues and to touches this trend line. And if we go to this trend line, I'm not going to buy it straight ahead. I have to look for some confirmation that I set out for myself as my trading rules. Okay, so you need to have a trading rule if indeed you want to be successful. So now, as I'm waiting for price to come here, I'm just going to scale down to the lower time frame to see if I'll get an opportunity to go in short. Okay, so from the daily time frame, I'm going to go to H4. Now here's the H4. You can see clearly there is a break of structure right here. Okay, a huge and a break of structure with this strong candle, the white bearish candle. Okay, so that's a break of structure. So what I'm going to do is, now the market has come back to the zone, so I'm going to mark out this bearish order block right here. Okay, yeah, so if you don't know order block and you would like me to make video about it, please let me know in the comment section. This is the order block I'm talking about, the wick left for this bullish candle before the impulsive move that breaks the lower low right here. Okay, so now after marking it like this, I'm going to go to the lower time frame once again. So from H4, I'm going to go to H1 now. So this is the H1 time frame. Okay, by the way, I'm combining all my strategies here to take a trade here, so follow me. By the time you finish, you will also know how to do it. Now, so this is a H1 time frame, and I've saw a setup here. It's something that I've been looking for anytime I want to trade. Okay, so you see that this candlestick right here, its high is lower than the second one, which is this one, and this one's, the third one's high is also lower than the second one's high. All right, and what is most important here is the body of the second one, sorry, the third one breaks the low of the second one. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm interested in. Now I'm going to highlight this move right here. I'm going to highlight it like this. Okay, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to again scale down to the lower time frame. Remember, I'm expecting price to get to my trend line here, the yellow line here. Then I'll start to go long from there, but it will take a little bit more time to get there. So I need to find an opportunity to trade the market until we get to that point, right? Perfect. So what we're going to do again is we're going to scale down to the lower time frame to see if there is an order block appearing in this leg, and we are going to use Fibonacci retracement as well. So I'm going to go to 15 minutes. Now you can see that on the 15 minutes there is no any other block, but what is important here is that there is a break of structure here. Okay, so a break of structure occurs here. It's impulsive move. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this breaker block. By the way, I've mentioned another term. If you do not know what a breaker block is and you would like me to make video about it for you, please make sure to let me know in the comment section below. If you have found value in this video, give the video a thumbs up. And then again, if you want to learn about trading, this is the channel for you. Alright, so I pull out my Fibonacci retracement tool. Then I start from my swing high and ended at swing low. You know why? The reason why I'm doing this is I was expecting to. Sorry, let me bring my pointer here. Okay, I was expecting to see some order block in this leg when I scale down to the 15 minutes time frame, but unfortunately I didn't see any order block, so I have to pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool so that I can have a fair imagination of where that order block is supposed to occur. So then, since I didn't see it in the 15 minutes time frame, I'm going to go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so here comes an order block. Nice one here. Okay, nice one here. This is order block, and it's occurring between the 61% and 50% level, and that is what exactly I'm expecting to see. Now, price is retracing towards this direction. So I'm going to place a pending order right here. So that when price came to this point, it will trigger it, then see how the trade goes. Okay. Then let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame, because this other thing will help me position my stop loss well. Okay. So I mark this breaker block right here, because my stop loss will be a couple of pips above the highlighted points. Okay, so having it like this, I'm going to go to the 15 minutes time frame once again. So this is how I'm going to place my trade. I'm going to place my entry here, my stop loss above this highlighted area, then my take profit to be on the swing low, which will be giving me around risk to reward of 1:5, something like that. Okay, but let's wait and see how the trade plays out. Okay, so in order for me to use the pending order tool, I need to switch to portrait mode like this. I'll click on it like this, then I'll drag the line to position it just at the tip of the order block, but I'm going to use a lot size of 2. Okay, so let me make it 2.5. Okay, so I go back, drag it, position it at the tip of the order block, then the stop loss will go above this, a couple of pips above this one. Yeah. Okay, so I make it 6. Okay, so I'm gonna add another one. It's a 6.5. It's okay. Then I take profit. Take profit will come here. So you see. Then I'm gonna place my trade. Now, I need to risk about $20 for this trade. So once I'm risking 5, I'm gonna add more of pending orders right here. Okay, the process is the same. The process is the same. So this is one. So here comes the second one. Third one, sorry. Stop loss. Take profits. Then you place it. So this is 3. So 2.5. And take profits. Yeah. Almost. Last one, so I'm risking $20, but hopefully I'll be able to make more profit since I decided to take advantage of any drawdown. That's okay. So if the price triggered this order and didn't go straight directly in my predicted direction and makes a drawdown, it will come and trigger additional these 2 positions right here. This has reduces my risk. So the 2 trade I've positioned here, placed here, I'm going to lose $5, which is same as those ones here. The single trade, the loss that I will take on a single trade of those ones here. Okay, so guys, this is it. So let's wait and see how the trade goes. Thank you for watching. By the way, if you found the value in the video so far, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if those topics that I've mentioned, any word that I've mentioned in this video that you do not understand and you would like me to make video about it, kindly let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you when the trade plays out. Okay, so guys, this is the trade, and now price has successfully triggered our orders. Okay, but as you can see, it has only triggered the first 3 which we place, and it's kind of moving in our direction. Okay, so let's wait and see how it will play out completely, because I'm hoping it will draw down a little bit and trigger the 2 additional one. But if it doesn't happen like that, no problem, you're good to go. As it stands now, it's kind of looking good. Okay, you can see we're in a profit of $3 at the moment. See you. And you have moved to 4, and we keep going. Okay, 5, and now 5. So see you when it plays out finished. Okay, so guys, you see we are in a profit of $90 and above, close to $100 mark, and eventually I've got to $100 mark. So this is it. I've added extra additional positions as the trade starts to go on my way. That's why you can see that the profit is moving massively at every second. So this is it. Okay, it's something that you would like to learn. You should let me know. So at this point, I think I'm gonna wait a little bit because I still have the potential to drop higher. Sorry, to drop lower. So we are currently into 130 plus. And so I'm gonna leave it to do its own thing, so that maybe eventually we can cross the 200 profit dollar mark. Okay, you can see it's still dropping. And yeah, I'll switch to the 1 minute time frame. So you can see it has the potential to drop, and I believe it's gonna drop a little more. Okay, so it's still going, it's still dropping. So we are currently in 160. So I believe it's gonna go. It's gonna hit that $200 profit mark. And when it gets there, I'm gonna close it. Okay. So yeah, it's still dropping. So at this point, I think we have crossed the $200 profit mark. So everything is set now. And I want to show you something here, because I'm going to close here, because you see that order block. See this order block right here. it's going to result in a pullback from that point. So I have to close before it take an aggressive reversal from there. So this is it. If you want to learn it, let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be notified to watch. Okay. So here's it. I'm going to close it. Boom. Okay. So now I'll exit from the trade and look at my profit for today. I've profit of $394. And the reason being, I earlier took some trade before this trade. Okay. I earlier took some trade and I've made a lot. You can see the results I'm having here is encouraging. So it's something that you definitely want to learn. And you can see the price started bouncing off from that point. So at this point, if I have not exited from the trade, you see I would have lost most of my trade. Okay. I would have lost most of my profit that I made earlier. So this is why you need to be watching your chart, not the profit that is being displayed on the screen always. So see you in the next video. The link will be in the description below. You can subscribe. You can register to trade this type of assets. See you in the next. Bye.